buttery bars are packed with gooey, rich, chocolatey goodness.
Oh,
this
yeah.
is the best day ever for me. I'm so glad to be in the kitchen with Madison. She brought a recipe that you have to write down, you have to try, because this looks amazing.
So good and so simple. That's what's awesome about this recipe is you don't even need a mixer for it. It's very simple.
No mixer,
no
but
mixer.
You have to brown the butter.
Brown the butter isn't that hard. So all you do is you put it on a saucepan and you boil it down. And then once it stops making popping sounds, it's done. So you just
Not
listen.
a super high heat. You just kind of melt it slow.
No, I do high heat. I do high heat.
You go
and
crazy.
Yes,
okay.
and then see the brown bits.
That's what changes the color.
Yes,
okay.
and it makes it like a caramelized flavor. We're gonna just add that to
My
a
wife will
mixing
be very
bowl.
proud today that I'm getting this education.
Yes, brown butter is so easy and it makes it so good. And then you can add the sugar directly into the hot butter because you're going to kind of melt down that sugar and invert the sugar to make it a softer syrup that will keep those bars nice and moist.
You've got just a wooden spoon today. You're mixing up. You don't need the electric mixer.
You don't, because you're not creaming that butter and sugar. It's not needing that leavening agent where it adds the bubbles. You're just putting it right directly into the hot butter and you mix it in. You can add your flour, your eggs. It's just a few ingredients.
It seems like it's so simple.
It is so simple. Cream of tartar, there's no rising agent.
What is cream of tartar? I've never used it.
Yeah, it's a byproduct of wine.
It's not tartar sauce.
Yeah,
it's totally different.
No, it's actually a very acidic additive that you can add to your bars or your sugar, your cookies. It makes it softer, makes them preserve a little bit longer.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah, it can also help rise your bars, but in fact, this recipe does not use a rising agent. Like most brownie recipes, there's no baking soda or baking powder because you want that dense, chewy bar.
Just thick.
Yes, yes.
Nice, but it's still got that gooey goodness. It's
yes,
not hard.
it's so soft because of that tartar added into it. Plus,
Okay.
you're melting down the sugar, making it inverted. Yes, it's
a secret ingredient I never knew about.
Yeah, it's so
cool.
good. And then you add real vanilla extract to it. This one actually calls for 4 teaspoons.
A good amount.
Yeah, because it is the opposite of a chocolate brownie. It's a vanilla blondie. So you really want that good vanilla flavor in there, and you just mix it with your wooden spoon.
Okay.
All of my recipes on my blog, mrsmaddie.com, they talk about the chemistry that's happening behind the dish so that you have an understanding on why you're using these ingredients. And they also just, for me, it gives me such a big accomplishment feeling.
And as opposed to other things that are off the shelf that have a million ingredients, this is simple, it's basic,
so
and so
simple.
you know what's going in.
You
it
can
looks
throw this
good already.
in so quickly. You got to give it a try, right? You got to try one.
That's the best part.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm going right to the end. Hey, why not? You always start with dessert. That's my rule of thumb, for sure.
Yes.
Now, slicing is a big deal, too.
Oh, yes.
Tell me about the slice, 'cause this is perfectly
this candy pan is a Utah company. She's located in Payson, and
That's
it's
cool.
so easy. You can bake right in it. It doesn't leak out the edges. It's so crazy. And you can just go and cut perfect squares.
Oh, that's cool. What's it called?
Yes, it's called the candy pan. And you just use a little bit of pressure, and it cuts perfect squares.
Not just perfect squares, but a perfect taste, guys.
Yes.
I'm not kidding. This is so good.
Yeah, thank you.
Best part of the day. I'm not even kidding. Where can we go for more information to learn these recipes and so much more?
mrsmaddie.com has all of my recipes, has all of the little chemistry blurbs. They're printable, and you can make this in 20 minutes.
I'm just going to let you keep talking because this is delicious.
Yeah,
I wish we had more time.
Yes.
Will you come back some other time?
Of course,
Bring more
anytime.
gooey goodness.
Yeah,
this is awesome.
Can you taste that brown butter, that caramelized flavor?
I wish I had more time to explain, but thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes, I can. Go check this out, everybody. Thank you, Madison.
Thanks.